day 79 of the lockdown in India and day 11 of a gradual unlocking exercise that the country is going through despite a huge surge in the number of coronavirus infections daily. In fact, over the last several days, India has been registering over 9,000 fresh infections daily. Over the last 24 hours, in fact, India has recorded nearly 10,000 fresh cases. Now, amid this massive surge, states are opening up cautiously. Today, we focus on Rajasthan, which had earlier eased movement across the state borders, but yesterday, which is on Wednesday, the state once again restricted movement of people entering the state and leaving the state. Now, for any sort of movement across the border of Rajasthan, you will have to furnish a valid pass. You have to show individual ID cards and also go through screening at the borders if you're traveling via roads and if you're entering the state. Now, there are reports that the state of Rajasthan will undertake a massive awareness drive in the last week of this month, that is starting June 21st, for about 10 days to raise awareness about the infection, about the ways of prevention and debunk various rumors that are floating around. For this cooperation of Anganwadi workers, an army of ANM, Asha Sahayoginis, village sevaks, patwaris and local public representatives, all of these people across a section of society will be participating in this massive awareness drive. As far as offices are concerned in the state of Rajasthan, government offices have started functioning on full strength from June the 1st. Private offices are also allowed to open up with full strength, but of course, as in every other state, they are encouraged to still work from home. Shops and malls and marketplaces in Jaipur and other cities have started reopening, but hotels, and especially heritage hotels, which are really famous in Rajasthan, being such an attractive tourist destination, these places are still cautious. They're on a wait and watch mode because right now in peak summer months, it's not heavy, it's not the season for tourists in the state of Rajasthan. So at this point, these hotels and heritage hotels, they are really looking at what kind of relaxations come going forward. They're also putting in place all the arrangements that will be needed to welcome back crowds once they reopen in full swing. Meanwhile, in Rajasthan, unlike some other states, religious places remain shut. Many of these religious places like Ajmer Shrine, the Chamunda Mata Temple in Jodhpur, Sheela Mata in Jaipur, Karni Mata Temple in Bikaner, etc. All of these temples are major religious destinations in Rajasthan, and they continue to keep their doors shut. They're still evaluating the kind of infections surge across the state, and depending on the statistics going forward, the temples and other places of worship will probably reopen. These are all the updates today. Thanks for watching.